Hello po! Ayan. Grabe, thank you po for inviting me here kasi it's an honor for me na ma-invite ako sa ganitong event niyo. And congratulations din po.
I'm just curious to know, if you don't mind me asking, how do you maintain your beautiful, youthful skin and also your figure? Anong secret? May secret ba?
Nako, ang unang-una talagang sinasabi ko lagi is number one, huwag kang may stress. Yun talaga, dapat alam mo kung paano i-handle yung stress mo. And for me, second, syempre, maintaining my body is my priority talaga. Different sa mga other na aesthetic clinic?
I think what would be different sa amin is that, kasi ako personally, I'm a customer. So, ang goal namin ng mga staffs namin is to ensure that we provide top-notch customer services kasi yun lang naman ang babalik-balikan. So, we want Essence Aesthetic Derm Center Santa Rosa branch to be on the top of their mind. Pag gusto nila magpaganda, magpa-pamper, if they want to feel re-energized. So, yeah, that's the goal.
Thank you po sa pag-invite ulit sa akin.
For coming over and taking your time to come here.
Yes. Pwede niyo naman pong i-share kung saan po malolocate yung Essence Clinic natin.
We're located in front of Monte Nisin, Efrain Street, Balibago, Santa Rosa.
Visit their page po.